Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing the Ayla Co Diaper Bag. This one is just the regular size diaper bag in the color green. So it comes in this nice bag. It does have a little card here saying welcome to the Ayla Co family. And then thank you, Ayla. And interesting, it's in Hebrew roots means oak tree, and its Scottish roots mean from a strong and resilient place. So that's kind of cool little background, but it is the Ayla, not Ayla, Ayla. So here she is. It's not like a green that you would think of. It's kind of like a grayish green, but I kind of like that. It's kind of like that off kind of green, but it's nice. It can go with everything essentially. So it's got a little pocket in the front here with magnetic closure, so you can hear that. There's further pockets within that. So once it opens up with a very big zipper, which is really nice that you can have actual access to get into. Comes with a removable pouch. So you can put things in, so that's nice. Comes with a little Ziploc pouch that's reusable. Comes with a changing cloth. That's nice. And there's tons of like other pockets in here as well. Let's see what pockets we have. Here we go. So here's like a hidden compartment, which is really neat. So it's connected to the bottom essentially, and looks like, oh, is that what can be zippered out? Let's see. No, okay, sorry. So it is like a 2-compartment kind of deal going on here, but it does connect to the other side. See my hand over there. Okay, let's zip this back up. Okay. So again, lots of hidden compartments in this bag. There is a pocket over here, another pocket there, little places to hook on here. Within this middle pouch, there's even more pockets, as you can see. Dividers, this section here as well. And they are all numbered. Let's see if you can see that. There you go. So you can see they're all numbered here. So if you were someone that wanted to be like, oh, look into, I don't know, pocket number 5, and you'll find something there. And so that's one way you can do that. When we flip it over on this side, I already showed you the little hidden compartment that was here that connects to the other side. There's another storage pocket. And within that pocket, you also have access to it this way. So this would be like for the diaper wipes. That's essentially where that would go. You have this netted pocket here. More pockets over here. You have the straps that go on the stroller. These the stroller straps. So I would have to look at my stroller again, but my stroller is like one continuous kind of loop. So I don't know if this would work out specifically, but it's good to know that it's there. So I'm going to put those back at the bottom. Then we have the back side here. So again, lots of different things. There is a secret compartment over here with this attached to it, so you can put your keys attached to it. Now I do have the Andar wallet, so I probably won't connect the keys to that, but it's good to know that you can connect something with that, so that's nice. There is this pocket comes with another Ayla Co bag. So this can be good for like wet clothes or something, or anything else you would want. Then you have a side pocket here, which can be used to place a water bottle, any other bottle. Does not hold my style of water bottle because I use like the really big ones, so mine will not fit there, but that would be good for like a baby bottle or my daughter's toddler cup or something else that I want to store there. And there's another side one here as well. But yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. Oh, here we go. I forgot to show you the front pocket, but it does zip down, so it can extend like this. And there are more nettings pockets in here as well, if you wanted to add additional things to it. And here's another connection for keys or something. And then the really cool thing is that you are able to either hold it from the top like this. Like if you want to hold it like a tote, you could hold it like this, like a shoulder strap, or if you want to wear it like a backpack, you have that option too. So you have 3 different ways that you can hold this bag, and it's absolutely beautiful. So I'll show you what that looks like on in just a moment. This bag does have the little pegs bottoms, so these parts will be on the floor as opposed to the actual bottom of the bag. So it gives it a little protection and also a little support so it stands up straight.